Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can change your project picture in Jira software. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here on project settings, and when you're going to be in project settings, let's wait here, it's loading. You're going to see in details, and then you're going to see change the avatar here, and you can simply upload a new avatar, or you can choose it by yourself. And yeah, that's pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yep, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.